We have seen two feature matching methods in our previous two videos. The first one was brute force matching with ORB descriptors. Second, brute force matching with SIFT descriptors and ratio test. And here we are going to see the third one, FLANN based matcher. And for this, I am not writing a code, but I am giving you this code directly. So we will walk through this code in our Jupyter notebook. The first thing that we are doing here is we are importing CV2 module and NumPy and Matplotlib. Then we are reading our original image that we used to do earlier, and we are saving it in this variable conflex, and we are reading it as a grayscale image. That is why we have 0 here. And then we are reading our image which is in the shelf with other images, and we are saving that in this variable img, and this image is also in gray format. And then we are finding here shift descriptors using this function xfeatures2d.shift. We will create a FLANN object, and here you can see we are using this method FLANN based method, and we are passing our index parameter and search parameters from here. Then we are going to find the matches using KNN method that we have already seen in our previous video. Then we are going to find the best matches. Once we have these best matches, then we can create a match KNN and save in this variable FLANN matches. We have these two flag matches here, 1 and 2, and then we have this image here. Now we will do this for all the features that has a match, and for that I will now call ratio test as per Lewis paper, and this is a for loop that we are using for ratio test. And once we have done the ratio test, we are going to draw the parameters, and the parameter is going to be match color, single point color, matches mask, and flags. And then finally we are going to draw this image, and here in the output you will see that all the matches has been correctly detected. Only few of them are incorrect and you won't be able to see them as well. So here you will see these 3-4 or just a handful of incorrect matches. Otherwise everything is correct and predicted correctly. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.